and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can create a TikTok account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So to create a TikTok account, all you need to do is simply download the TikTok app from your Play Store or App Store. Once you download it, you need to simply tap open your TikTok. After doing this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your mobile phone number. If you want to use another method to sign up, you can even use your email, Facebook, or Google. By selecting one of the methods, you can simply tap on it and select an account or simply type in your number. And after doing this, you need to now type in your birth date as well. So once this is done, you need to review your birthday. And after doing this, you will have to create a nickname as well. You can even skip this method, like you can skip this part, and now you have your account created on your TikTok. So this is how you can create a new TikTok ID. So this is how you can create a TikTok account in easy and quick manner. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.